Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Python Urllib module, a comprehensive tutorial with examples. The Urllib module in Python is a powerful package for working with URLs. It allows you to fetch data from web pages, handle HTTP requests, parse URLs, and more. This tutorial will dive deep into the different submodules within Urllib and illustrate their use with practical examples. Why use Urllib? * fetch web content * retrieve HTML, JSON, images, and other data from websites. * interact with APIs * make requests to web APIs and process their responses. * handle URL structure * parse and manipulate URLs for various tasks. * authentication * handle basic and digest authentication for accessing protected resources. Error handling * manage HTTP errors and other exceptions that may occur during web requests. Structure of Urllib. The Urllib package is organized into several submodules, each handling a specific aspect of URL handling. 1. Urllib.request * for opening and reading URLs, most commonly used. 2. Urllib.error * contains exception classes raised by Urllib.request. 3. Urllib.parse * for parsing URLs into their components. 4. Urllib.robotparser * for parsing robots.txt files, to respect websites' crawling rules. Let's explore each submodule in detail with code examples. 1. Urllib.request, opening and reading URLs. This is the core submodule for fetching data from web pages. Urllib.request.urlopen, URL, data equals none, timeout equals socket _global _default _timeout, kfile equals none, kpath equals none, kdefault equals false, context equals none. The urlopen function is the primary way to open a URL. It returns a file-like object that can be read to retrieve the content. Basic example, fetching HTML content. Explanation **** urllib.request.urlopen, URL, * opens the specified URL and returns a response object. *response.read, * reads the entire content of the response as bytes. *decode, UTF-8, * decodes the byte string into a regular Python string using UTF-8 encoding, common for web pages. If you encounter encoding issues, example strange characters, try different encodings like Latin 1 or ISO 8859-1. *response.close, * closes the connection. It's crucial to close the connection when you're done reading the data to release resources. *error handling * the try, except block gracefully handles potential errors, especially urllib.error.url error, network errors, invalid URLs. It's also good practice to catch a generic exception to handle any unforeseen problems. Passing headers *. You can customize the request by adding headers, example user agent, content type. To do this, you need to create a urllib.request.request object and then pass it to urlopen. Explanation **** urllib.request.request, URL, headers equals headers, * creates a request object with the URL and headers. User agent * a common header to specify the browser or application making the request. Many websites check the user agent to prevent bot access or to serve content differently based on the user's browser. Urlopen, REQ, urlopen now receives the request object instead of a simple URL string. Sending data, post requests. You can send data to a URL using the data parameter of urlopen. This is often used for submitting forms or interacting with APIs that require post requests. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk urllib.parse.url data, asterisk converts a dictionary of data into a URL encoded string, example key 1 equals value 1 and key 2 equals value 2. Asterisk dot encode, UTF-8, asterisk encodes the URL encoded string into bytes, as required by Urllib. Asterisk urllib.request.request, URL, data equals data, asterisk creates a request object with the URL and the encoded data. Asterisk the server at https://hpben.org/post will receive the data and send it back in its response, allowing you to verify the post request was successful. Timeout asterisk. You can set a timeout for Urllib to prevent your program from hanging indefinitely if a server doesn't respond. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk timeout equals 5 asterisk specifies a timeout of 5 seconds. If the server doesn't respond within 5 seconds, a socket.timeout exception is raised. Context, SSL/TLS. For secure connections, HTTPS, you might need to customize the SSL/TLS context, especially when dealing with self-signed certificates or specific security requirements. This is beyond the scope of a basic tutorial but involves using the SSL module and passing a SSL.SSL context object to Urllib. See the official Python documentation for details. To Urllib.error, handling exceptions. The Urllib.error module defines exception classes raised by Urllib.request. Asterisk URL error asterisk base class for all exceptions raised by Urllib.request. Asterisk HTTP error asterisk a subclass of URL error raised for HTTP errors, example 404 not found, 500 internal server error. Example of handling HTTP error asterisk. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk urllib.error.http error as e asterisk catches HTTP error exceptions. Asterisk e.code asterisk the HTTP status code, example 404. Asterisk e.reason asterisk a human readable reason for the error. 3 urllib.parse, parsing URLs. The urllib.parse module provides functions for parsing URLs into their components and for constructing URLs. Urllib.parse.url parse, URL, scheme equals, allow underscore fragments equals true. This function parses a URL string into its components, scheme, netlock, path, params, query, fragment. It returns a parse result object. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk parsed underscore URL dot scheme asterisk the protocol, example HTTPS. Asterisk parsed underscore URL dot netlock asterisk the network location, example www.GeeksforGeeks.org. Asterisk parsed underscore URL dot path asterisk the path part of the URL, example /Python Urllib module /. Asterisk parsed underscore URL dot params asterisk parameters specific to the URL segment, often empty in modern URLs. Asterisk parsed underscore URL dot query asterisk the query string, example article equals 123. Asterisk parsed underscore URL dot fragment asterisk the fragment identifier, example section 2. Urllib.parse.url unparse, components. This function constructs a URL string from a tuple of components. The order of the components in the tuple must be scheme, netlock, path, params, query, fragment. Urllib.parse.url join, base, URL, allow underscore fragments equals true. This function joins a base URL with a relative URL to create a complete URL. Urllib.parse.url encode, query, dosake equals false, safe equals, encoding equals none, errors equals none, quote underscore via equals quote underscore plus. As seen in the post request example, this function converts a dictionary or sequence of two-element tuples into a URL encoded query string. Urllib.parse underscore qs, keep underscore blank underscore values equals false, strict underscore parsing equals false, encoding equals UTF-8, errors equals replace. Urllib.parse underscore qsl, keep underscore blank underscore values equals false, strict underscore parsing equals false, encoding equals UTF-8, errors equals replace. These functions parse a query string into a dictionary or a list of name, value, pairs, respectively. For Urllib.robotParser, parsing robots.txt. The Urllib.robotParser module is used to parse robots.txt files, which are used by website owners to tell web crawlers, bots, which parts of their site should not be crawled. Respecting robots.txt is crucial for ethical web scraping. Explanation asterisk. Asterisk Urllib.robotparser.robotFileParser, asterisk creates a robot file parser object. Asterisk rp.set underscore URL, asterisk sets the URL of the robots.txt file. Asterisk rp.read, asterisk reads and parses the robots.txt file. Asterisk rp.can underscore fetch, user underscore agent, URL, asterisk checks if the specified user underscore agent is allowed to crawl the given URL according to the rules in robots.txt. Asterisk important asterisk replace my custom bot with your crawler's actual user agent. Key considerations for using Urllib in real-world applications asterisk. Asterisk error handling asterisk always include robust error handling, using try, except, to catch URL error, HTTP error, and other potential exceptions. Asterisk encoding asterisk be mindful of character encoding when reading web content. UTF-8 is the most common, but you might encounter other encodings. Asterisk rate limiting asterisk avoid overwhelming websites with requests. Implement delays between requests, using time.sleep, to be polite and avoid getting blocked. Asterisk respect robots.txt asterisk always check and respect the robots.txt file to avoid crawling disallowed areas of a website. Asterisk user agent asterisk set a meaningful user agent header to identify your crawler or application. Asterisk SSL/TLS asterisk properly handle SSL/TLS certificates, especially when working with HTTPS websites. Asterisk alternatives asterisk while Urllib is part of the Python standard library, for more complex web scraping and API interactions, libraries like requests, which is not part of the standard library but is very popular, offer a more user-friendly and powerful interface. Requests handles many common tasks automatically, making it easier to work with. This detailed tutorial provides a solid foundation for using the Urllib module in Python. Remember to consult the official Python documentation for the most up-to-date information and advanced features. Happy coding!